Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians Carrie
and Andrea. During the season of chocolate and Valentines, it's also important to keep your heart healthy.
How do you indulge sensibly without missing out on those sweet treats?
Watch as we show you how.
Raspberry Coconut Crunch Smoothie Bowl. Place raspberries, yogurt, honey, banana, and coconut in a blender. Blend on high speed until mixture is smooth. Divide evenly between 2 bowls and top each bowl with raspberries, coconut, toffee bits, almonds, and walnuts. Enjoy!
Strawberry Oat Muffins. Pulverize oats in a blender. Combine oats in a bowl with strawberry yogurt, eggs, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix until smooth, then fold in strawberries. Divide batter evenly into muffin liners, bake until cooked through, and share.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.